across the river deep. Maybe you'll find it's never as easy as it first appears. As it first appears. Just remember not to worry or get down at heart. Never lose faith in positive thinking. You'll be amazed when